Hi guys.
Are you
Thank you.
vlogger?
Yes, I am.
What is your name?
My YouTube channel is Falling in Love 786.
Ano daw?
Falling in Love
Where are
786.
you from?
I'm from Pakistan.
Oh!
Wow.
What brings you here?
Sorry?
Falling in love.
I love Philippines.
Wow.
Yes.
I don't know Philippines. What falling in love?
786.
7, 8, 6.
Yes.
Oh, falling in love.
Yeah, this is yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna subscribe
Yeah,
to
thank
you.
you. Okay, I want to question you some. Okay, are you free guys? You guys have time? Okay.
Yes, she's a very brilliant woman.
Oh, really?
She's single by the
What is the capital of Singapore?
Ano?
Yes. Come here together. Huh?
Can you give us a clue?
First letter is S.
Sri Lanka.
What? Sri Lanka is another country.
No, the country. Wait. I can't remember.
Singapore capital is.
Singapore. Can you?
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, you? Are you sure with that question answer?
Singapore. Answer. Yes.
Singapore is Singapore.
Yes.
Okay, how about you guys? Are you guys agree with the answer?
Yeah, we trust in her.
Trust her.
With us, her?
Oh my God.
How about you? Are you trust her?
No, I don't trust her.
You don't trust her? Okay, what's the capital of Singapore? What is the capital of Singapore?
Capital letter S.
Capital?
You don't know. No, I know it's Singapore.
Okay, you agree with that?
Yeah.
You?
Yeah.
You agree?
Yeah, exactly.
Agree? Are you? No, don't search, don't cheat, okay? Don't cheat, don't cheating.
Don't you? That's wrong.
Yes, it's Singapore.
Yes, you are correct. Yeah, thank you.
International Can you ask us another one?
What is the capital of Japan?
Japan, Tokyo.
Wow, okay. What is the capital of Pakistan?
Letter.
I. Huh? Sorry, what?
Di ba country yun? No, no.
What's the capital of Pakistan?
Hi. What? Ano?
What's the capital of
The
Pakistan?
next letter aside from
IS.
IS, Island.
No,
Israel.
no. Israel is another country.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Okay, I give you few names. Lahore, Multan, Islamabad.
Islamabad. Okay, mas na ano eh, the first letter.
Oh, okay. What is the capital of Jordan?
Jordan? No. Girly.
Baka sabihin nila, bobo mga Pilipino.
It's too hard.
Too hard?
Ask us another question aside from country,
Okay.
like mathematics.
Okay.
About
This picture, which country flag holding?
Africa.
Okay, what the name of the country?
Nigeria.
No,
Kenya.
no,
Cameroon.
no.
Wait.
I'm not good at
What is that? Is that the bird is from Africa?
They have picture on flag.
A picture of the. Oh.
This picture in the flag of one country.
Ay, flag ng anong country? No. Is it Africa? Is it from the
Yeah, Africa, but the name of country. The first word is no.
What's the first letter?
First. Okay, I will tell you last word. A.
Uganda.
Yes, correct.
Uganda.
This is the word. This is the flag. Yes.
I think we're gonna go.
Which country is flag this?
Ayan. Mongolia.
No,
Turkey.
no.
Uganda niya Turkey. Ayan.
Myanmar.
Nepal.
Yes, correct.
Nepal? Nepal.
What about this?
Oh,
Uy,
it's
diyan
like-
Japan. Wait.
Japan.
Wait. Sa Japan, may kasi it's black.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Black Japan. I'm not really good at countries.
No, this is the flag.
Yeah. You ask us about science. I bet we can answer.
India. Turkey?
No,
Honestly.
Nope.
Istanbul.
Nope.
Turkey.
Nope.
What's that?
Where I'm from.
Pakistan.
Yes.
Okay, bye friend. I think we're gonna go.
Alright, okay, last question.
Okay, that's.
How many bones in one body?
206.
Wow, correct.
What's the largest?
That's the
Yeah.
largest bone, you know?
Yeah, what's the largest? Okay, tell me.
Bone?
More.
The
It's the
femur.
femur.
What is the smallest?
Stapes.
Nope.
Yes, in the ear.
No.
Stapes.
Mandibles.
Mandibles and stapes. Oh.
Ah, well, yeah, correct. Alright, thank you guys. Nice to meet you. See you again. Thank you. Alright, see you again.